Hello, in this video we shall learn a bit about variables in Python. We shall learn this by example. We shall straight away declare a variable by saying x is equal to 3. So here we have assigned the value 3 to the variable x, and we can do another example. So y is equal to say 3.14, and we can declare another variable by saying z equal to hello. Alright, so here we have assigned an integer value 3 to the variable x. We have assigned the float value 3.14 to the variable y, and we have assigned a string to the variable z. And if I run this here, it has run successfully without any errors, but we don't see any output here. So that is because we have just assigned these values to the variables, but we did not ask Python to print them out and show the output. So if you want to see the variables, we can use the print function which we have touched upon in the last video. So this is very straightforward. Now we just say print x and print y and print z and run again. And here we see the output 3, 3.14 and hello corresponding to these three print statements. The print statement can actually take more than one argument. Those arguments can be comma separated. So for example, if you want to add a string here, x is equal to, and we can do the similar thing here in the next line, and we can run it. So here we can see that the print statement first prints this part of the string x is equal to as it is, and then we have written x here, which is the variable, but the value of that variable 3 is replaced here when it is printed out, and that is the output we see here on the right. There is another extremely useful function in Python, and that is the type function. So the type function takes in the argument as any of the variables which have been declared, and it prints out the type of the argument. So here we can expect that the type of the argument x is int, so integer can be the output here. Oh, we should actually say ask it to print it. Yeah, print type x. Yes, so x belongs to the class integers, and we can also check for the other two variables which we have declared. Alright, as expected, x is an integer and y is a float and z stores a string. So these three are the most commonly used data types which we encounter in our analysis. There are a few more data types in Python, such as complex numbers. We shall see an example of defining a complex number. We shall say a equal to 1 plus 3j. So this is the syntax. The number which precedes the small case letter j is the imaginary part of the complex number, and of course this is the real part. And we can now print a, and we can also print the type of a. Sure enough, a is 1 plus 3j, and the class a belongs to the class of complex variables. We also have a very special type of a very special data type which is called bool, or it is a short form for boolean. A boolean type variable stores the value either true or false. So we can say b is equal to true and c is equal to false. We can again check it via same manner as we did before. We shall print out b and c. we see that B and C belong to the class boolean or bool. We shall slightly extend this discussion on variables by touching upon lists in our next video. That is it in this video. See you soon. Bye.